Everybody, it's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. Sorry about that. It's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. I've got this TEMU mold that I'm gonna pour, and I'm gonna pour it. I should just have my glasses on when I start the video, because I know I can't read it. Really, it's lapis lazuli. So a dark, sapphire kind of brown, blue. And then I've got these, once again, these are more chopped up variety, but online you can find them searching candy flakes. They're little cellophane, iridescent. Cannot even remember who sent me these. I'm so sorry. Those and that. Okay, just I'm gonna keep telling myself this. Just a tiny bit of both, or else I'll make it too dark. So I'm gonna get some resin mixed up. This shouldn't take much, but we'll see. I'm gonna start out with 4 ounces. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and mixed up 6 ounces of resin. just 4. So I'm gonna start off with 2 drops. Okay, let me get a look at it. Okay, that is actually not bad. I'm going to continue to stir it up, though. I'm going to actually add 1 more drop. Small drop. Okay, to the side. Now, if y'all seen me do this before, I'm gonna take my little resin drill and vibrate some of the bubbles out of this resin. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna rest it on the side of the cup. And you'll start to see the bubbles down inside there moving. Sometimes I'll move it around. I would do it on the other side, but there's resin. Alright, now, if you do that for a couple of minutes, you'll get a lot of those bubbles that are down inside there out. carefully. That is what I didn't want. Crap. Okay, emergency rescue, hold on. Okay. Now, I had a little leftover, and I quickly poured this faceted heart upside down. Oh, that's cute though. Oh, on one of these little resin trays that you do for your vanity or something. That is cute, actually. Okay. Not what I expected, but cute. Oh, these turned out pretty. Little resin beads. They remind me of dice. Those turned out cute. Now, for what we've been waiting for. And which way did he mold it? I think I'm going to do the bottom of the box first. Wow. Okay, those two didn't want to come loose. I had to get my weeding tool to help because those points didn't want to come up. Okay. I'm curious about this one, to be honest. Now remember, I really wanted this one to be much darker, but it did turn out that way. Maybe I was really trying to go for a snowflake look and I didn't know it. So crystally. Gasp and surprise. Wow. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm in love with it. So pretty. Okay, let's get the top out. Now remember, on this one, I had to work kind of hard to get all these corners and little points filled out. Let's see how well I did. Okay, they're all there. Now, each one of them does have a little bubble underneath. But from the top side, they're all there. Wow. Wow. It is gorgeous. Wow. It almost looks like I did it with clear and just the candy flakes, unlike the box where you can really see the blue. Oh, that sets down so nicely. Wow. I'm super, super impressed. Oh, that is so pretty. I found something, sorry. Not the right color, but... Wow. So pretty. I'm gonna say it again, I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, y'all. Wow. Another TEMU mold done right. Wow. I'm gonna say it again, I love it. I love it. Wow. Okay, I've got a 30% off first time buyers coupon to TEMU. I've also got an affiliate link for TEMU. If you buy anything through that affiliate link, I'll get a little kickback. I also have an Amazon shop listed, and if you buy anything through that link, I'll get a little kickback. I've added a super thanks below the video, and I've added a buy me a coffee link and an Amazon wish list in the description below if you're interested in any of those things. The resin dyes, I don't know about the candy flakes. The resin dyes for sure. Anything else like that, chameleon flakes, mica powder, it's all listed there. I've been I've been doing a little bit of Amazon adding to my store. That's the way you say it. So you can probably find anything and everything listed there. I've got a resin list. I've got a polymer clay list. I've got a mixed media list. I've got a jewelry list. You know, stuff to finish jewelry. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really love y'all. I really do. I know I don't talk to y'all enough. I just do the video, hurry through it. But I'm trying to do a little bit more rambling, talking to y'all. I'm going to say it again. I'm in love with this box. I want to do it in every color, and no. Oh, it'll be so pretty done in some other colors. Oh, those facets just make it so sparkly. Okay, I've rambled on enough. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.